A lot of times I'm asked, how do you put an equation like this in Vertex form? Now, I think what throws it off is there's such little amount of information, I guess you could say. But the reality is, this is actually a much easier problem than all the other quadratics that you've been dealing with. Well, watch this. Let's say I divide everything by 4. And I get y by itself. Now, because with quadratics you want a leading coefficient, instead of writing x squared over negative 4, how about I just write negative 1/4 x squared equals y. Now, by doing so, what I've done is I've actually set it in vertex form. People think that's strange because vertex form obviously has some parentheses, x minus some h value squared plus some k value, and then obviously whatever h is, that's your h and k make your center, your vertex. And so people are like, what are all these missing pieces? Well, you don't have to look for any extra pieces. It is so simple from this point. Your vertex happens to be at 0, 0. Now, how do I know this? Well, if I wanted to, I could expand this out. Not necessary of any essence, this is your answer. But if I wrote negative 1/4, put x and plus 0 in parentheses, and then added a 0, those are equivalent. How do I know? Well, x plus 0 doesn't change anything, so it just becomes x squared. Adding 0 to something doesn't change anything, so that's why you want to just leave it like this, because it's all done. It's as simple as that. You have your vertex, all you need is inputs and outputs, and you're good to go. So don't overthink a problem like this. It's this simple.